Good morning students, this is Professor Abdul Mateen from Anjuman Institute of Information Science and Management, Harvard. Today we will be learning how to download and install Java software, and we will also be learning how to configure Java so that you can execute simple Java application programs. So to begin with, let us download the Java software by opening Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, type Java JDK, right? Press enter. So here you will be having a link. The first link you have to select, right click on that and say open in a new window. Then here is the option, the Java JDK is available in this website, that is oracle.com. So you have to click on JDK download. So based on your operating system, right, you can download on a Linux system, Mac OS or Windows 10 installer. Windows x64 means Windows 10 installer it is. Okay, so all these are 64-bit softwares. So if you want to download a 32-bit software, I'll show you the process in the next step. Okay, so before that we'll see how to install in a 64-bit machine. So simply click on download Windows x64 installer. So click on this. So I review the content and say accept the agreement. So click on download JDK, right? So sometimes the operating system tells you to keep the file, okay, because of security reason exe file download it will show. So you simply click on keep file. Okay, so once it is downloaded, so once the file is downloaded, simply click on this and say open. So if it is Windows x64 or Windows 10 operating system, it will prompt a message. So user control it will ask, so say yes. So it will take some time to install. Okay, so here it will prompt a message. So Java development kit 15 is being installed here. So I'll say next. Okay, then say next. So it will take a while. So once it is installed, it will show a dialog box. So simply click on close. Okay, so this completes the installation of Java or JDK 1.5, JDK 15 I think is installed on your system. So to check this, you have to go to this PC, then Windows, then go to program files, and here click on Java. So here you can check JDK 15 is installed. Apart from that, there are other versions also installed. So I have installed JDK 15, so it is available here, right, the bin folder. So all this Java APIs or Java execution softwares are available here. So once the JDK is installed, the next process is to configure your system to execute a Java program. So before that, we will see how to install or how to download. Many students have asked me how to download Java for 32-bit operating system. Again, simply open your Chrome, right? Here in the search box of the Google, type 32-bit download. Once you click that, again it will take you to oracle.com soft website. Okay, here you can see you will get x86 version, right. This x86 version is what is for the Windows 32-bit operating system, right. So, you can download this version if you are having a system of 32-bit. Okay. Now, next step we will be studying about how to configure the Java. Okay. So, to execute a Java program, generally we will use many of the editors are available, but instead of using inbuilt editor, we will be using command prompt and notepad for executing of Java programs. So, for that we need to configure our command prompt, or we need to link the Java compiler to the command prompt. Okay. So, to do that, simply right click on this PC, go to properties, then advanced system settings, go to advanced system settings, then we have environment variables, click on this. So, here you will be having the variables, environmental variables which are available for you. So, simply click on path, right. So, click on edit. So, because I have installed JDK 115 now, so I will simply click on new, right. So, here you have to type the path which you have where the Java has been installed. Okay. So, you can type the path or else you can copy the path. Okay. To copy the path, simply go to your PC, that is this PC, that is my computer in the earlier versions of the systems. So, simply I will go to desktop, right. I will click on C drive, then program files, then Java, JDK 15. You have to select the bin path, that is very important because all the Java APIs are available here. So, next go to address bar, click on this, right. You will get a copied link here. So, simply right click this and click on copy. Once you do this, here you go to and click on new in the environment variables, simply paste whatever path you have copied, paste here, click on OK, right. So, again complete this dialog. So, click on OK once again and finally click OK once again. Now, to check whether Java has been configured and we can run Java program from anywhere in the command prompt, go to your command prompt, you can go type, click on Windows icon and type command prompt, right. This is the way you can open. There are other ways also, right. You can press Windows R key, then type CMD. So, both are same. Okay. To check whether Java is being installed or configured or not, simply in the command prompt wherever you are, simply type Java C. Once you type Java C, so Java C command, right, or API describes that you have to use all these options. So, this when it shows all these options, it means that Java is configured now. So, you can execute Java program from this system from anywhere. So, this is how you can configure your Java software so that you can execute Java programs. Okay, I hope this video was useful for you. In the next video, we will be learning how to execute a simple Java application program. Thank you.